November 22nd, and I'm very glad the roofers made it today. We got big rain coming tonight, and then of course the Thanksgiving weekend. So we'll see how much they can get done today. Back here we changed our mind on this. This was going to be all bank of windows. But after seeing the way the sun comes in and not being able to get blinds for windows that have angles, we decided to go ahead and close that up, and we're going to put a wood decoration on the inside. So yesterday Ryan and Vance closed this up, and the two windows that he did order, that are square ones that we're going to go up there, are going in the garage. Two squares there are brand new. They just cut them out. There weren't going to be any windows there. They're just fixed windows that were going to go in the peak, so we'll get a little more light in the garage. And let's see what Ryan has to say. I'm going to tell him I just edited his video. Alright, well, they're down here. Hey, what's going on, boys?
Joe Cat.
Hey, yeah, I just saw the nice footage that you and my wife made on the flagstone.
Oh yeah, how's that?
Haha. What's that?
What did you do to you, Joe?
Was I supposed to keep that all in the video?
Well, I kind of threw him under the bus. Threw him under the bus, threw him in reverse, made back over him again.
I put it in there. All right, frame it up to. That's not good for your ears, man. Wow.
You're kind of taking your life in your own hands.
It's 4 o'clock, the end of the day update. Kind of hoped they'd have a little more done, but I'm pretty sure the garage is all done. Okay, well, the back breezeway is not done yet, but the garage is complete. So I don't know, to me it seems a little slow with as many guys as they've got. So we're gonna get pummeled with rain tomorrow on what you see here. And then everything's shut down Thanksgiving. Start back up next Monday. Here's the finished front porch. I have not shown you guys this yet. Look at that. That is beautiful. And it's got to be 16, 18 feet up. Wow, very nice. Appliance is coming. We're delivering them in the shop for now. We bought these on a pre-Black Friday special. 25% off. Good deal. And once again, thinking ahead, thank goodness I put 10-foot door in here. Yeah, he would not have got in here with even a 9-footer. So my plans are working, just slowly but surely.